Hi, students of South Milwaukee. It is Ms. McNichol, and today our goal is I can multiply by 9 using an array. So we're getting up there. So I want you to remember, though, when we started this, we said I can multiply by 1, 2, 5, and 10. We worked on 3's, and 3 is multiplying by 2 and 1. 4 is multiplying by 2 and 2. We've broken our 6 into 5 and 1, 7 into 5 and 2. 8s can be challenging, and so can 9s. So I'm going to show you actually couple strategies for 9. All right, so what I want you to do is take a moment. I want you to write down all the addition combinations that make 9. I'll start you out. 0 plus 9. Go ahead and write the rest of them. Did anyone come up with 1 plus 8? 2 plus 7? 3 plus 6? 4 plus 5? I see a comfortable 2 there. I see a comfortable 5 here. We might have to break apart our 9 into more pieces if we need to. So remember how we broke the 7 apart into 5 plus 2? We might have to say 2 plus 2 plus 5 and draw our arrays that way. Same thing down here. 4 is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 5. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at our array. Again, I don't have a story for us. 9s are kind of complicated, so I wanted us to work on that together. Boy, we said maybe 2 plus 2 plus 5 would work. So I'm going to put 2 here, got 2 rows, 2 here, and 5 down here. So I'm going to draw that. Got 2 rows of 9, 2 more rows of 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of 9. So let's put the dimensions down. How many rows of how many columns do we have up here? Two rows of 9. So when we multiply by 2, we're doubling. What are 2 9s? Go ahead and solve that. Again, we have another smaller array. What are the dimensions? How many rows and how many columns do we have? If you said, oh, that's another 2 by 9 array, you'd be right. What is 2 times 9? And now we have our larger array. We've got it labeled here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 rows of how many columns? If you 5 rows of 9 columns, you are correct. All right. So what is 2 times 9? Everybody say it? I think I heard 18. So another 2 times 9 is what, everybody? 18. Remember, if we're fluent, we know our 5 times 9. If we're counting by 5s 9 times, we're still skip counting, and that's fine for the beginning of 4th grade. We just need to know these eventually. So 5 times 9 is 45. My goodness, let's write our equation out. It's going to be kind of a longer equation because we needed to use 3 different smaller arrays inside the larger array. All right. So we solved 9 times 9. And we broke apart the 9 into 2 times 9 plus 2 times 9 plus 5 times 9. I see the second 9. Where do you see the first 9? 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Those are our 9s. All right. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 18, plus 45. How would you go ahead and solve this problem with addition? There isn't a right way or a wrong way. Well, there are many different correct ways to do it. Let me say that. So I'm going to start with my 18 plus 18. The reason I'm starting with my 18, and I'm going to move down here just to show you that work, is 18 plus 18. So how much altogether is this? I'm going to take 2 away from the 18 to make it 16, and I'm going to add that 2 on the 18 to make it 20. 20 plus 30 plus 6 is a lot easier for me to add. So now I have 36 plus 45. All right, what might you do now? Might you add your 30s together and your 30, your 10s, 30 and 40? What is 30 plus 40? If you said 70, you are correct. We still have our 6 and our 5, though. I'm running out of room here. I'm sorry. I wish I could make this a little neater. We have 6 plus 5. I know 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 is one more, so that is 11. Okay. So now what is, and I don't like these carrots, I want you to write them out, 70 plus 11. 70 plus 10 plus one more equals 81. This also equals 81. 9 times 9 is 81. I'm going to show you a different strategy. This is a strategy that I really like. Some kids might be ready for this. Some kids aren't. If you understand it, great. If you don't, that's okay. We will eventually get to it. So we have 9 times 9. All right. That's backwards from before. 9 groups of 9. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add one more group on down here, one more row. Okay. Oops, a row goes there. I've added one more group on. So instead of 9, now we actually have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Who knows? 10 groups of 9. Everybody, what is it? It is 90. But wait, is this last row really here? It isn't. We just used the 10 to make a very comfortable equation. So we have one row of 9, which is 9, that really isn't here. So we need to get rid of it. What does that look like when we write our equations? It looks like this. 9 times 9 is the same value as, what did we do first? We took our 10 times 9. And what did we do second? We had to get rid of, remove. That is subtracting. We had to subtract that one row of 9 because, one row of 9 because it really wasn't there. So 10 times 9 is 90. And we have to subtract this one row of 9. Think to yourself, what is 90 minus 9? I might take away 10 and then put one more back on. What is your strategy? If you said 81, you are correct. So don't worry if this strategy was confusing to you. You don't need to know it right now. We can work on breaking our numbers apart like we did on this side into more than 2 arrays if this one is a little more complicated. So good luck multiplying by 9, kids. See you later.